Namaste my dear student. Today I am here with a new video for class 5 chapter number 14 average. Name of the chapter is average. So in earlier we have completed 5 chapter. So now I will start this chapter average. Okay, before going to our main point, let's know about our average. So I take an example. Suppose for understanding this method and this average, so you try to see the video up to last. This is very important topic in our mathematics, so you try to see the video up to last. If you not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel. Okay, so now average means, suppose in your in your hand, suppose 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 3 rupees, and in your hand suppose 5 1 rupees coin is there. Okay, 5 1 rupees coin is there. Okay, so 5 1 rupees coin is there. For finding their average, so how can you do? Average means you have to write the numbers from 1 to all the number according to their ascending order. Suppose 1 1 1 1 1 like that. Okay, after writing all the number, the middle number actually, you can say the middle number is, you can say their average. Okay, that is the simple thing. But if the number are not in continuous form, suppose 1 2 3 4, not in this form. Okay, so for that case some difficulty occurs. So for that case you will get another definition of average. Suppose you have a number, suppose 1 to 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So finding the average of this number, what can you do? So finding the average of this number, so you have to sum all the numbers. Suppose 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, you have to sum all the number. So you add all the number, what is the result? Final result you will get, suppose 15. If you if you add this 5 number, you will get what? 15. So 15, so how many number is there? 5 number is there. The total sum is what? 15. If you divide this 15 by 5, then you will get to what? You will get the number 3. So that is your average. Okay, now see, if you write this number ascending order, suppose 1 2 3 4 5, in the middle number, in the middle term, which number actually lies? You see 3 is there. In this way you also get the 3 average, and by applying another way also you will get the average 3. Okay, so finally you can say average means, average is equal to sum of the values divided by number of values. To find the average, we find the sum of all the given values and divide it by the number of values. So that is formula, average equal to sum of the values divided by number of values. So for example, find the average of 1 2 3 4 5. Already I have said here now. For finding the average of the number 1 2 3 4 5. So according to the definition, average is equal to sum of the values. You have to sum, you have to add all this number, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. If you add this 5 number, then you will get 15. And how many number of values, how many number is there? There are 5 number is there. So you divide this 15 by 5, then you will get the 3. So this is your average. Okay, For another example, suppose find the average of 10, 10, 10. There are how many number? 3 number is there. So finding the average, you have to add this 3 number. So according to the formula, average is equal to sum of the values divided by number of the values. Sum of the values means you have to add this 3 number, that is 10 plus 10 plus 10, and the number of values is what? 3, 1, 2, 3. So you divide this sum with the 3. So 10 plus 10 plus you will get 30, 30 by 3 you will get the 10. So this is your average. Okay, this is the some simple example of average. Okay, so in this way you can find average of your height, average of height of your 5 friend. You can find the average mark, what you get in the unit test. Average means you can say aggregate. Okay, aggregate mark. Okay, or you can say mean of this mark. Okay, mean. So now let's say now we will discuss the example. Okay, so now we will discuss about the exercise. If any difficulty for this average concept, you can ask. Okay, and you try to see the video up to last. We'll discuss some very important question. So now this exercise number 1, find the average of 6, 11, 13, 9 and 15. There how many number is there? 5 number is there. So for finding the average, we know that the definition of average is equal to what? Average is equal to sum of the values divided by number of values. So sum of the values means you have to sum, you have to add this 5 number, that is 6 plus 11 plus 13 plus 9 plus 15. So you have to add, already I have added here. So here for final result is 54. So the addition part you will get 54 and total number is 5. So you have to divide this 54 by 5. So after dividing here, we divide this 5 1s are 5. Then if you subtract 4, if it is not divide, then you put here 1 0, and again also it not divide, so you put here decimal. After this putting decimal, you can take here 0 1. So 0 40 you will get. Now 5 8s are 40. In this way you get. This is the decimal division. Okay, this is one chapter in your class 5 also there. So I think in lower class also you have already learned. So here final result will be 10.8. Okay, this is the average. So another question is there, 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6. So average, sum of the values, number of the values. Sum of the values, you have to add this all number, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. And how many number is there? 1 2 3 4. So we divide by this by 4. Now in the above part is addition of fraction. Addition of fraction, this is by applying the LCM. Okay, we will get the addition. So now you have to find the LCM. LCM means least common multiple. Okay, this is also you will get in this exercise. I think in lower class also you have already learned. But now see how we find the LCM of this number. So 3 2 4 6, we write this 3 2 4 6 in this way, and you divide this number, all number, at least 2 number is divisible by 1 number or not. Now you see 3 is divisible by 1 and 2 and 4 is not divisible by 3, therefore we write here 2 and 4, and 6 also divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6. In this we get. So next now it is divisible by 2 also. So 1 is not divisible, so you write 1, and 2 is divisible by 2. Therefore we 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So now you multiply all the number, then you will get the LCM. 3 into 2 into 2, and 1 also if you multiply here, then also you will get 1. So 12 into 1 you will get what? 12. So 12 is the LCM. So we put here LCM in the denominator. Okay. So now you have to divide this 12 by this 3. If you divide this 12 by 3, you will get 4. Now 4 into 1 you will get 4. In this way you have to divide 12 by 2. In this way all step you have to do. If you divide 12 by 2, you will get 6. 6 1s are 6, like that. If you divide 12 by 4, you will get 3, 3 ones are 3. If you divide 12 by 6, you will get 2, 2 ones are 2, like that. So now add all the numerator part. You will get the 15, 15 by 12 by 4. So this 12 is in the numerator part, but it is in the fraction form. So you can express this 12 in the down. So 15 by 4 into 12. Now you say 12 is divisible by 3 and 15 also divisible by 3. So we can cut this 5 and 4 into 4, you will get 16. 5 by 16. This is the result. Okay. For addition of fraction, this is also one chapter we will discuss in the later. Okay. So this is C number question. You see 3.5, 4.8, 2.6, 5.3, 3.9, this is the decimal. Average sum of the values, number of the values. So you have to add all the number divided by 5. So how we add decimal number? According to their decimal place, you have to put their value. 5 plus 8, 13. In this way, you will get 20.1. So 20.1 by 5. There are 5 number is there, so you have to divide this by 5. So removing this decimal, in the above one decimal place is there. After decimal, one value is there. So for that case, you have to multiply by 10 in the both numerator and denominator. Then above decimal is removed and the below is 150. You will get 5 into 10, you will get 50. So now you have to divide 201 divided by 50. So here you will get 4.02. In this is the division. So 4 5s are 200, 4 50s are 200. So if you subtract 1 is there. So now finding this division. So you put here decimal. After putting decimal, you can take here 0. If it is not divisible by again, then again you put here a 1 0. Here you 1 0, then you will get here 1 0. So now 100 is there. So 50 is divisible by 100. So 50 into 2 you will get 100. So this is the result, 4.02. Okay. So next question number 2. The age of 5 teachers in my school are 32 years, 28 years, 24 years, 38 years and 30 years. Find their averages. So this is also easy. Average is equal to sum of the values divided by number of the values. You have to add all the age. 32 plus 28 plus 24 plus 38 plus 30. You have to add all the number. After adding, we get 152. 152 by 5. There are 5 teacher is there, to 152 by 5. So 152 by 5 you have to divide. After dividing, you will get 40.4. Here with the division part is there. 5 3s are 50. If you take 2, it is not divisible, so we put 0. 4 5 4s are 20. Okay. So average age is 30.4 years. So question number 3, you see Radha secured the following marks in an examination. So subject is given maths, English, Hindi, science, social science is there. Marks is given 83, 75, 72, 92, 78. Already I have told this type of example. Okay. So find the average. Find the average mark. Average is equal to sum of the values divided by number of the values. So you have to add all the numbers. 83 plus 75 plus 72 plus 92 plus 78. After adding, you will get 400. So 400 by 5. If you divide this, you will get 80. So average mark is what? 80. In how many subjects were Radha's mark more than the average mark? More than the average mark. Average mark is 80. Now you see which is more than 80. Maths is more than 80. Science is more than 80. Means in 2 subjects. So in 2 subjects. In how many subjects were Radha's mark less than the average mark? Less than average is 80. Less than 80 means which one? 75, 72 and 78. These 3 are less than. So in 3 subjects. So this is about this exercise. Okay. And there are remaining question also there. We will discuss in the next class. So if you like my video, please put one like in the comment box. If any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'll come again with a new video. So I think you have understood my topic. If any difficulty, you can inform in the comment box. Thank you.